Hi everyone, this is all the movies that I actually did my iPhone. These are my movies. It's not gonna be that easy. I can't turn off the main light because it's not gonna be easy enough to do it with the fans going, and that is the brightest light right now. So right now this is my slashers and my horror movies that I picked. I wish I can dim these. Let me see. Now it's a little dark, but it's a little bit better. A little. I'm sorry it's dark. But anyway, this is my movies that I chose for my slasher movies from the collection that I have. I'll turn the light back on after I stop filming. So you can see the titles. I do apologize for this, but I can't turn the light on until I stop filming. So just let me know what you thought of them. I should have done in my room with a low light in it. Kind of one sec. Sorry. So which ones did everyone picked out with their movie theme? He's making coffee downstairs. He's cleaning the coffee pot. Anyway, yeah, I know this is kind of like not so easy in the dark. This is what I got in the collection. I'll let you know when I'm about to pick up. We're not clearing up right now because clearly the air is not coming. yeah, I know I have quite some great titles in here. My new movie just came in today. I'll let you know what's going on next. So from tonight, for the movies, it's going to be Piece by Piece and Cuckoo. I'm going to try my best to watch. Some of them that I picked out from Did I Tell Troy? And online. I'll let you know how many steps I'm planning to get after I do my bills. We have the cable bill, the phone bill, the American Express bill, and then my dad has the major bills, gas for the Jeep in my mom's car. He does I'm sorry, generator, the mortgage. He's doing his beneficial. So what I say in the first video, I hope no one just judge me the way my aunt is. Yeah, it's going to be a short video, but I'm hoping you guys can understand why I'm doing right now. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you like. Let me know what you think. And I'll definitely get back to you with some more feedback. Meanwhile, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll show more stuff by tomorrow. Alright guys. I am so sorry, this is a very, very short video.